Hello everyone. Here are the top news from the world of personal finance and markets. Indian markets opened flat to mildly positive on Friday, with key indices hitting record highs. For the third straight day, investors were cautious ahead of the U.S. Federal Reserve policy decision later in the day, and ongoing uncertainty around a potential India-U.S. trade deal. Broad-based gains lifted 14 of 16 major sectors, with mid-cap and small-cap indices also up around 0.2%. Leading the advance were stocks in the energy, PSU bank, auto, IT, and financial services sectors. Among individual stocks, there were notable increases in shares of Indesigned Bank (ITC), Ultratech Cement, ICICI Bank, and Asian Paints. On the other hand, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation (ONGC) declined about 1% after reporting a 5.4% year-on-year dip in Q1 net profit at 200.9 crore rupees due to lower gross refining margins (GRM) and one-time exceptional gains in the previous year. Meanwhile, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories fell 1.7% after reporting a 12% year-on-year drop in consolidated net profit at 629 crore rupees for the quarter ended June, mainly due to higher expenses. Let's check out the investor sentiment. Here the data suggests that while there is a marginal increase in overall open interest, there is a noticeable jump in writing across all strike calls, especially at the 25,000 and 25,200 levels. This indicates that a significant portion of traders are expecting resistance in the Nifty around these levels. In fact, analysts from ICIS Citidirect highlighted that the strong call open interest. So what should you do? Well, amid mixed global cues and the potential impact of the U.S. Fed's policy decision, a cautious approach is warranted. The market is likely to remain sensitive to both domestic and international developments, so consider keeping a close eye on the markets and being prepared to make adjustments to your portfolio based on the evolving situation. Also, if you have exposure to the banking sector, consider keeping a close watch on the progress of the monsoon session of Parliament, especially in relation to the key banking bill, which seeks to strengthen the banking system by enabling banks to sell loans to asset reconstruction companies. Banks have been advocating for the bill's passage to tackle the issue of bad loans. So that's all from today. For more such informative content, subscribe to our channel. Have a great weekend and happy investing.